Hi guys, so if you want to remove background from your photo, you normally use Photoshop, right? And you have to do it manually and it takes sometimes it takes a lot of time, and that is where this website is very helpful. The website is called www.remove.bg and it helps to remove the background 100% automatically. So it saves a lot of time. I normally use it. So all you have to do is just go to the website called www.remove.bg and just wait for it to completely load. And all you have to do is just click on the select a photo, and I'm just selecting this one. This is Zinedine Zidane's one. He's a former French footballer and current Real Madrid coach. See, this is the original image and this is the image without background. It is that simple. It is that simple, guys. It is that simple. And so all you have to do is just click the download button and it's saved on your computer. And just try another one. And I'm just gonna choose this picture. Okay, this is at UFC 229. Khabib Nurmagomedov tapping out Conor McGregor, one of the best moments of 2019, right? And sorry, 2018. And see, this is the original image and this is the image without the background. And then just so if you check this point, you can see some mistakes there. So all you have to do is just click the edit button and just zoom in and zoom in and zoom in and zoom in. See, and you can do it, you can just erase it manually too if you want. You can see, if you want to erase it, just do it like this. Okay, it is, if you want to do that a little bit of correct that little bit of mistakes, you can just do it by simply doing that and just click save and it is downloaded. So it is that simple, guys. So now it saves me a lot of time usually, when I have to create YouTube thumbnails. So if you want to try it, man. Check out this website. It is called www.remove.bg.